Good morning, everyone. Dear students, today I am discussing types of vectors. First one, unit vector. Second one, zero vector. Third one, like vector. Fourth one, equal vector. Fifth one, co-initial vector. Sixth one, collinear vector. Seventh one, coplanar vector. Eighth one, negative vector. These all are types of vectors. Let us discuss one by one. First one is unit vector. Unit vector means a vector whose magnitude is unity. That can be written as magnitude of vector A is unity. This is known as unit vector. Right. So next, second one is zero vector. A vector whose magnitude is 0. A vector whose magnitude is 0, then it is known as zero vector or null vector. See here, if I am considering vector A and B are the 2 points with arrowhead, this is known as vector because A and B are vector points. A is initial point and B is terminal point. This is direction which we have to the given directed line segment. Here A and B has some value, but in zero vector A and B points are coincide each other. Got it? A and B points are coincide each other. That's why there is no length to measure that one. Hence, there is no magnitude for zero vector. Got it? Therefore, the initial and terminal points of zero vector are coincident. Hence, a vector whose magnitude is 0 is called zero vector or null vector, and it is denoted by zero vector. Got it? Next, third one, that is like vector. A vector having same direction are called like vector. See here, I am considering two vectors. A and B are initial and terminal points with arrowhead. C and D are another vector with arrowhead. These type of vector having same direction. Here AB and CD having same direction. So these type of vectors are known as like vector. So next we move towards equal vector. Two vectors are said to be equal if and only if both are have same magnitude and direction. See here, if consider this one, A and B, C and D, vector A and B, vector AB and vector CD having same magnitude and same direction, then that type of vector is known as equal vector. Got it? So next we move towards co-initial vector. A vector having the same initial point are called co-initial vector. A vector having same initial point. See here, this one is origin point and this is first point and this one is second point. So join it through like this. So this is directed arrowhead, direction of arrowhead. So here OA and OB having A and B having same initial point. Here OA and OB, A and B have same initial point. That's why it is known as co-initial vector. So this can also be written as vector A and vector B. In previous class, I told that we can denote it by lower case. Got it? We can write it as OA or we can write it as OB. So vector A and vector B. This type also we will be written this one. So here vector OA and vector OB are co-initial vectors. Next we move towards collinear vector. Next, collinear vector means a vector along the same line are called collinear vector. See here, I am taking one line, straight line, A, B, C, D and E. A to E ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ತಗೊಳತೀನಿ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ ಈಗ B ಒಂದು, C ಒಂದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, D ಒಂದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, B C D. So a vector along the same line are called B, C, D. A in the start E end ageti. A and B are initial and terminal points. Got it? So next, coplanar vector. Coplanar vector means two or more non-zero vectors lying in the same plane or parallel to the same plane. That vector are known as coplanar vector. Like this type, it will arise. Two or more non-zero vectors lying in the same plane or parallel to the same plane. That type of vector is known as coplanar vector. Next, negative vector. Yesterday I told that negative vector means, yesterday I considered one example A and B as a vector and I am consider it as magnitude. Right? Magnitude of vector AB. I written like this one. So in another way we can write it as opposite way. That is known as negative vector. Vector AB can be written in opposite direction, then that type of vector is known as negative vector. So this is also magnitude. That means length of AB. Right. So this can be written as vector BA, magnitude of vector BA. But here vector AB is opposite to vector BA. That can be written as minus of vector AB. If we apply magnitude, minus AB can be written as magnitude of vector AB can be written as magnitude of vector AB. Right. If AB is given vector, then vector BA whose magnitude is same as that of vector AB, but whose direction is opposite to that of vector AB. Then that type of vector AB is written as minus vector AB or magnitude of vector BA. Here magnitude of vector BA is equal to magnitude of vector AB. So this is known as negative vector. So these all are types of vectors. In next class I will discuss scalar multiplication and scalar or dot product of two vectors definition with its properties. Thank you.